Welcome. We are excited that you're here. Let's start. First, please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the scanner by locating the following. The On button that is located on the upper right corner of the device. The Back button, that it has the form of an arrowhead on the left bottom corner of the device. On the side of the device, there is a yellow button that, when pressed, turns on the laser reader to scan the labels on the packages to be delivered. The three icons on the bottom of the device are used to go open the main screen. Turn on the device by pressing and holding the upper right button on the device. Once the device is on, you will see this screen and you just need to wait for the device to load up. When the on process is done, this screen will be visible. Then tap with your fingertip or a stylus pen if available, the DD icon. This will take you to the next screen. This is the logon screen. The username and password differs from each warehouse, and you need to obtain this information from the warehouse manager, the assistant manager, or the dispatcher in order to input the right information. Once you get this information, press Log On. This is the screen where all the routes are listed. Choose Select Routes. Scroll down to the route that you will be responsible for. Example: A, B, C, D, E, F, etc. You should see the heading entitled with the letter of the route that you are assigned to. Example: F East. A, Boca Raton North. B, Boca Raton East, etc. It is important to note that the time is set in Pacific Standard Time, PST, so you need to adjust the time to the time zone where you are doing the route. Example: if you are on the East Coast, add 3 hours, so if the route time says 4 o'clock PST, it will be 7 o'clock EST or 6 o'clock CST. Highlight the assigned route using your fingertip or a stylus pen if available by tapping on it and press OK. You will be taken to the screen where all the customers for that time are listed. Once you have the list of customers displayed, it is time to scan the products on your cart. The number that is displayed before each customer's name is the number of packages you should have for that customer. All customers on the screen are displayed in white, and it will turn green once you have scanned all the packages that belong to that customer. To scan the packages, press the yellow button on the upper left side of the scanner. You will see a laser beam that you will use to scan the WorldPack labels on each package. Scan the label by pointing the laser beam directly over each package's barcode on the WorldPack's label. Once you have scanned all the packages for a particular customer, the screen color will change from white to green, and you'll see on the screen a note saying all packages have been loaded for delivery. Then press OK. When you've finished scanning all the packages for all the customers listed on your screen, wait until you get Released. When the warehouse informs you that you are released, refresh the screen by pressing the arrow located on the left bottom side of the screen and then press Refresh. Once you do this, highlight the route that you are going to do, but this time it has to say Released and the desired time next to it. Highlighted, press OK, and it will take you to another screen where all the squares will be highlighted in green and wider. Once you are in this screen, press the WorldPack square at the top of the screen and enter the current mileage of the vehicle leaving the warehouse and again when you are back at the warehouse. This part of the screen will turn gray in color. This means that you are now ready to scan. It's very important for you to do this step. If you don't do it, once you get to your first customer and try to scan, you won't be able to do so because you have not input the mileage or number on the top square where the WorldPack and the name of the warehouse are displayed. It must be gray in color to make sure that you will be able to scan the packages. When you arrive at the first customer destination, press the name of the customer. Doing this will take you to a screen where you see the word Arrived on the bottom of the screen. Press it, and after doing that, you will be able to start to scan the packages. Scan the packages that belong to that specific customer. If you have pickups, returns, you will see a number under the word Pickups. If you don't have an RMA with you, press that number that will take you to a screen where all the information of that return is listed. And when you finish, press Done. This will take you to the screen where the customer must sign. Let the customer sign, and when done, double-tap the bottom right part of the screen highlighted in blue to exit that screen. When you're finished delivering for that customer, the square with the name of the customer will turn blue, meaning that is done. When you are back to the warehouse, press the last square on the bottom of the screen where the name Worldpac and the name of the warehouse are listed, to do the same thing you did on the top square when you left the warehouse. The only difference is that this time the square will turn purple in color, meaning that you completed the route and are back at the base.